Welcome back, dear children. Kingdom Animalia includes different phyla. Phylum Arthropoda is the largest phylum among them. Identifying features of these phylums are chitinous exoskeleton, jointed appendages, body is divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. Sensory organs, different sensory organs are present in them. Excretion is carried out by Malpighian tubules or green glands, etc. One of the best example is cockroach, Periplaneta americana. Today we are discussing about cockroach mouthparts and their digestive system. This is the mouthparts of cockroach. It carries biting and chewing type mouthparts. It consists of labrum or upper lip. It is single and contains receptors for taste. It contains mandibles. It is a paired structure mainly used for cutting and grinding. Maxillae, also it is a paired structure mainly used for holding and crushing the food. Labium or lower lip, it is single. These are mainly used for pushing the food inwardly and prevent its loss during crushing. Hypopharynx, it acts as a tongue. It contains sensory receptors and opening of common salivary duct. This is the digestive system of cockroach. It consists of three major regions: foregut, midgut, and hindgut. Foregut consists of mainly mouth, buccal cavity, esophagus, crop, and gizzard. Mouth is the opening of foregut into the buccal cavity. Buccal cavity, it is surrounded by mouth parts and hypopharynx in its floor. It leads into a narrow short tube-like structure called the esophagus, mainly through the neck, and opens into crop. Crop is a large pear-shaped sac that stores food. It reaches into gizzard or proventriculus. It is mainly used for grinding and straining apparatus. Midgut or mesenteron, it is a short and narrow tube. Its anterior part has 7 to 8 blind tubes called hepatic cecae. It secretes digestive juices. It is the site for absorption of digested food. Hindgut, it has 3 regions: ileum, colon, and rectum. Ileum is a short and narrow tube. At its junction with the midgut have about 150 yellow fine tubes called Malpighian tubules. It is merely used for excretory purpose. It leads into a coiled and wide tube-like structure called colon. Colon opens into rectum. It is a sac-like structure, opens to the outside by anus. It is the site for absorb water and salt from undigested food. And also it carries associated glands. Two salivary glands are present in cockroach, one on each side of crop. Each gland has 2 lobes and a salivary receptacle. Gametogenesis is an important process that occurs in human beings. It is the production of gametes. In male, it is called spermatogenesis. In female, it is called oogenesis. Today, we are going to discuss about the tears of testes, tears of ovary, and tears of blastula. This is the tears of testes. It is a pair of oval, pinkish, primary sex organ of male reproductive system. The testis is covered by tunica albuginea. Testicular lobules contains seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules contain Sertoli cells and male germ cells. It is also called as spermatogonia. Spermatogonia undergoes divisions, forms spermatocyte, then it changes into spermatids. Finally, it forms functional spermatozoa or sperm. In between the seminiferous tubules, interstitial cells or Leydig cells are present. Leydig cells produce male sex hormones called testosterone. This is the TS of ovary. It is a pair of grayish pink ovoid shaped primary sex organ. Each ovary is surrounded by mesovarium. The ovary consists of outer cortex and inner medulla. Medulla contains ovarian Graafian follicles, blood vessels, nerve fibers, and some smooth muscles. Each follicle contains a large ovum surrounded by many layers of follicle cells. The cortex may also contain a large mass of yellow cells termed corpus luteum, formed in an Graafian follicle after the release of its ovum. This is the TS of blastula. TS of blastula. Blastocyst has three parts, mainly trophoblast, inner cell mass, and blastocele. Trophoblast is the outer cellular wall of blastocyst that forms HCG, human chorionic gonadotropin, villi, chorion, amnion, and fetal part of placenta. Inner cell mass forms embryo. Blastocele is the fluid-filled space which helps in a rapid expansion of blastocyst. Microorganisms are useful to us. Some others are harmful. It causes different diseases. Today we are discussing about disease-causing microorganisms. This is Entamoeba histolytica. It causes amoebiasis or amoebic dysentery. It is a human parasite in large intestine. It is transmitted through contaminated food, water, and through insects like houseflies and cockroaches. Its symptoms are abdominal pain, repeated motions with a fluid fecal matter with blood and mucus produce ulcers. This is Plasmodium vivax. It is a malarial parasite. It causes malaria. It is an entoparasite of man. Two hosts are required for this. Primary host is man and secondary host is female, Anopheles mosquito. Its infective stage is sporozoite stage. Contamination mainly through female Anopheles mosquito bite. Its symptoms are recurrent fever, chilling, and shivering. This is Ascaris lumbricoides. It causes ascariasis. It is an entoparasite in small intestine of man. It is elongated, cylindrical, tapering at both ends. Also, it exhibits sexual dimorphism. Female is larger than male and the posterior end is curved in male. Its symptoms are colic pain, impaired digestion, diarrhea, vomiting, retarded body growth, etc. This is ringworms. Here you can see trichophyton, epidermophyton, microsporum. It causes ringworms in man. It is a kind of fungal hyphae. It is a kind of fungus. Fungal hyphae grow in keratinized tissue occurred from soil or by using towels, clothes, or even comb of infected individuals. Trichophyton is an oval or spherical microconidia are abundant in numbers. Microsporum is macroconidia are spindle shaped with tapering ends, thick, rough, and plenty in number. Epidermophyton, macroconidia are club shaped, smooth walled in clusters and plenty in number. It causes or its symptoms are appearance of dry, scaly lesions on the skin, nails, scalp, etc., and also intense itching.